Show them your outfit.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Colombia!
No, just not like that. Slowly, like what you did. Say Colombia. Tiga nang nangaon na itong pagkauna no, kanang doon sa lugaw ni Baitro.
Dubuhan? Oo, dagara na eh.
Lumit doon no.
47 is Dracula.
Hi, Maxine! Wala si Maxine!
Wow! The angel from the sky. 49 is Spider-Man.
Oh, photo Maxine! Asa ang next niya?
Like that thing na. That's smile.
We also have Supergirl. 63.
Wow! Yay!
Ready to save the world.
Ah!
Sana dahil.
Okay! Yes!
Another one.
Another pose, Kina.
Another pose.
Another pose. Another.
Go on, go
Ana. Yay! Good job.
Here.
Yay! Ah, wow!
Thank you. Say thank you
Okay,
afterwards.
thank you. Ako, say trick or treat. Ah, yay! Thank you. Say trick or treat. Ah,
Siya na lamang araw maka-experience.
yay! Wow! Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ah,
Better gift, so?
Take some photos with Nikki later. But for now, let's proceed with our dance.